안녕하세요. 저는 THX Abrasives Samantha입니다. Hello everyone, this is Samantha from THX Abrasives. So this October, we're going to attend the TECH exhibition in Kintex. Hope to meet you there. We are an OEM factory of abrasives in China. Our main products are cutting disc, grinding disc, flap disc, and strip disc. With nearly 30 years of production experience in abrasives, THX has achieved cooperation with big companies in Japan, Korea, America, Europe, and Australia. Because of our stickiness to quality, THX customer base grows bigger and bigger. THX always put quality as our priority, and we value the feedback from our customers. As you can see, THX always maintains thankful to all our customers. We are not only business cooperators, but also business partners. Being humble all the time, listening to the clients' voices, and helping clients to solve problems are actually what we're doing all the time. All this makes us and our customers grow and develop together. I look forward to meet you all in Korea this time. The Korean market is a market with great potential. I also hope to meet more Korean partners. Once cooperation, lifetime partners. So see you in Korea.